Yes, my peeps. What are you doing? Boy, it's a place where nobody goes. No one goes. Yeah. Pick up on yourself, my peeps. So there you again. Check out one river here. Nobody not come here, sir. Not real life. Yeah, man. I'm wanting to pre and take a preview and take a view of what I go on. So, pick up on yourself, my peeps. Watch you pray. Look at that. Look at that, man. Crazy, my peeps. Look at that. So beautiful, so lovely, so nice, so clean, so elegant. Big up yourself, my peeps. What you pray. Yes, my peeps. This river always in a good look, you know? Yeah, man. I see a Black River this that could travel down from Magatia, come straight down through the hill. Yeah? You go through the hydro plant and come out. It's the best clean water, well beautiful. Yeah? Can drink, can wash, can swim, can do everything. You see below and pretty. Look like a beach side. Yeah, man. Not even a pool can compare to this. Yes, my peeps. Everybody love it, you know. But you know, say thing go. Maybe time to time around, some other youth will come and set up this thing, you know. But you know, you go. Anytime, man. Anytime I don't want to come here, so just link me, man. And I'm free of cost, people. No on charge. Just go enjoy yourself and live, you know. St. Elizabeth, that's how we do it. Yes, my peeps. Beautiful and lovely. Take some shots from the riverbank. Yeah, man. Well, pretty and clean. The river can hold crazy amount of people. Yeah, we have a place to come party, place to put sound, place to go enjoy yourself. Yeah, man. And we have more beautiful spot than this sometime for sure. Yeah? So I could travel. Big up yourself, my people. Travel. And as you see, you can see it's a very beautiful fishing spot. Yes. So beautiful to fish in. You catch nice fish, mudfish, perch, all different kind of fish, sunfish, all different kind of fish. Yes, my peeps. Crazy fish, man. Whatever the Appleton now send down them slime and all them done thing, river building up back very good. Yeah. One time you could have put on a pot and go down a river. And you know, say, you come up back with fish. Now it will come back around. That's beautiful. Anyway, you see how the place is very green and lush. Everybody have plant up the riverside now. Yeah. Plant some all kind of something, banana, all kind of something. Yeah. Where I look upon now is some cassava. That's banana. And the lower one, yeah, it's cassava. So beautiful, my peeps. Beautiful water. Yeah. The riverside, a dry time now, but the riverside still green and lush. Look at it, cassava, red stalk. Yeah man, sweet cassava. Yes, my peeps. I could go down in the riverbed. Right down in the bed. Look at it. Fresh mass. Fresh clean water. Yes, them green mass there know say the water alright. Yeah man. Well beautiful and pretty. Yes, my peeps, can come take a trip, man. And just link me up. Yeah, a more beautiful spot there. Yeah, man, we just go and showcase them right now. Yeah. We're showing our people there here one of these days, you know. Just subscribe and like and keep a link and press the notification so when more video come, you can notify, you can keep up with it. Yeah man, thank you. So beautiful, nice. Yeah man. Yeah, farm, you see, you still carrying out the water. See your St. Elizabeth full of water, my peeps. Yeah man. So you stay, you know. Yes, my peeps, the river nobody goes. But you know, go here again. Yeah, man. The river just set, so just dry up, so. Yeah, but I'm here the one that come to showcase it, you know. Yeah, man. Just want some more people to launch out and take it serious. Yeah, because we can show it and make us get big, you know. Yeah, man, we just want to help. One can do it. Yeah, we want people to come and showcase it too. I encourage people to start up them channel. Yeah, never can tell. Yeah, showcase the community. Yeah, make it be known like that. Big up yourself, my peeps. Yeah, just do it, man, and do it from love and the heart. Might surprise you, come out too. Yeah, everybody, you know. YouTube make sure make everybody have a channel on them phone, you know. So just take up the camera and start roll, you know. Never can tell where it's come out to. We might not know all right now, but time to time, you know, we learn and get improved. You know, start how that gonna happen. Yes, my peeps. So beautiful. So beautiful. So nice. Let's know how it goes. Yes, my people, as me I tell you, see them river here we used to be here as a youth. The whole of we used to grow up at them place here. That's how we usually there. That's how we spot. We call it treasure. But nobody no remember them spot here. Everybody forgot about it. Everybody gone on the fast hamster wheel. Yeah, but I say go, you know. You have to chase, people have to chase them, have to chase, you know. Chase their hopes and dreams, you know. That's how you go, you know. Anything we end up to, alright, they end up to. So, big up in yourself, my peeps. Yeah, man. Love you always, you know. Yardman TV, Yardman style. Big up in yourself. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, them water are crystal clean. Nobody can tell me say they don't love it. You have to love it, man. Yes, my peeps, water ready. Yeah, man. You want to go and kick back down with me, you know? Anyway, you're there in the world, you just link me. Yes, my peeps. Safe spot, you know?
Yes, my peeps. As we proceed, you know, go across the river, you know. Take the time, go across here and show the beauty. Beauty of it, man. Gee, you see how nature pretty and powerful. Sure no say it a call to me, you know. It's calling out. It's calling out. And say, oh, it's so blue. Oh, me so blue. Nobody don't want to try this spot, man. Yeah, man. They have everyone on there, you know. You know, come here on the yard, see where he heal, you know. And see all the miracles of it, you know. Yeah. Light up in the dry, you know. Light up the garden on there, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps. Sure, say popcorn never sit down yet. Yeah, man. The river is far, far, far better than the one that my popcorn I go make him stay there. Yeah, man. Although, you know, I say everything cool. Not even down a seaside, no beautiful, so. Let me tell you. Not even down a seaside. My gosh. Check it out, my peeps. Yeah, man. This is not St. Thomas, you know. This is not Portland. This is St. Elizabeth. Check it, pray. check out some farm, you know. You know I go anyway. The water there, the farm there. Yeah man. St. Elizabeth and my people them now ramp the farm up as you know a bread basket, so check it out. You stop be a cane there them a spot there. You talk about cane. Cane you so cover them a place yeah. Yeah man, and go some track you so left out cane you so cover them place and now with sugar gone. Different thing are coming, you know. You know you go. Such as life, you know. Yeah man, cassava man. Great cassava. Great cassava, I can imagine. Yeah man. When they go cane and bring in cassava, you can imagine. So I go still. Make up in myself, my people. Go look one cane for it same time. Cool, cool and beautiful and pretty and blue. Look at it. Wow. Yeah, see the sky, man. Look good, though. Yeah, man, you know I look good. Look up yourself, my peeps. Remember, subscribe and like. Yeah, man. Press the notification button, the bell. Get more notification when I come out. Big up on yourself. Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man. Look at this. Nice power juice. Yeah. Sweet. Nice. Whoa, power juice, lah. Yeah, man. Look up yourself, my peeps. Yeah, man. Don't mash up the cane now, so. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Always, you know. Yep.